You don't realize how dangerous weak wiper blades are, until rain turns your windshield into a blurry nightmare. Today, I'm revealing the top 5 best windshield wiper blades that actually clear perfectly in real storms. Welcome back to the channel. I've tested them for durability, silence, and value. Grab your perfect match through the links below. Product number 1. 5 plus 22 inches wiper blades 2-pack replacement for Ford F150, F250, F350, F450, F550 2009 T0 2023. Rain doesn't just blur your windshield, it steals reaction time. And on a powerful truck like a Ford Raptor, that split second matters. Most drivers upgrading their Ford F-150 or Raptor, 2009 to 2023, struggle with streaking blades, wind lift at highway speeds, and rubber that cracks after one brutal summer. It's frustrating. You invest in your truck, but visibility feels like an afterthought. The 5 plus 22 inches wiper blades 2-pack changes that story. Built with OEM quality precision, these all-season windshield wiper blades hug the glass firmly. The aerodynamic frame reduces lift, even when your Raptor pushes through heavy crosswinds. Installation is refreshingly simple, no awkward adapters, no wasted time. In real rainstorms, they wipe clean. No chatter. No ghost lines. Just a clear, sharp field of view. Compared to many budget beam blades, the rubber compound here feels thicker and more resilient. The trade-off? Slightly higher price than entry-level options, but noticeably better durability. If you drive a Ford Raptor 2009 to 2023 and demand reliable performance year-round, these belong on your windshield. Clear vision isn't a luxury, it's control in your hands. Product number 2, Rain-X 810165 Latitude 2-in-1 Water Repellent Wiper Blades, 22-inch windshield wipers. A split second of blurred vision in heavy rain can change everything. That's the reality most drivers ignore, until their wipers start streaking. Let's talk about a real upgrade, Rain-X 810165 Latitude 2-in-1 Water Repellent Wiper Blades. These aren't ordinary blades. They apply a patented water repellent coating directly to your windshield as they wipe. So instead of just clearing rain, they make water bead up and roll away at highway speeds. If you're searching for the best windshield wiper blades for Ford Raptor 2009 to 2023, especially for storm-heavy regions, this matters. The Ford Raptor's wide windshield demands even pressure and durable rubber. The Latitude's beam-style design hugs the glass, reducing chatter and lifting in strong winds. Real-world downside? They cost more than basic frame-style blades. And in light drizzle, the coating takes a few minutes to activate fully. But compared to standard OEM replacements, the clarity difference in downpours is noticeable. Ideal for Raptor owners who drive long highways, tow in bad weather, or simply refuse to compromise visibility. Because when the sky opens up, you shouldn't be guessing what's ahead. Product number 3, patented OEM carbon fiber windshield wipers blades 22 plus 22, Ford F-150, Ram, Chevy Silverado. Most drivers don't realize this, over 70% of windshield visibility problems come from worn-out blades, not bad weather. Now imagine pushing your Ford through heavy rain, and your wipers smear instead of clear. That frustration is real. Especially for F-150 and Raptor owners who expect power and precision in every detail. These patented OEM carbon fiber windshield wiper blades 22 plus 22 change that experience instantly. First, the carbon fiber structure. Stronger spine. Even pressure. No annoying lift at highway speeds. Second, the OEM style fit. Designed to match Ford F-150 and perfectly suited as a replacement for anyone searching for the best windshield wiper blades for Ford Raptor 2009 to 2023. Installation takes minutes. No adapters. No guessing. On the road? Clean, streak-free sweeps. Quiet performance. Solid grip in heavy rain. Compared to traditional rubber blades, these last longer and resist heat cracking. The only downside? Slightly higher price than generic options. But durability offsets that quickly. If you drive a Ford Raptor 2009 to 2023 or demand reliable Limpiapper Breezes Decaro performance, this 2-pack is for serious drivers who refuse blurry views. Clear road ahead. Product number 4, Gavamol 22+22 Silicone Wiper Blades Replacement for Ford F-150 1997 to 2025 Expedition 2008 to 2025 Cadillac Escalade 2008 to 2019 Ram 2500 2011 to 2025. Rain doesn't test your truck, it exposes your wiper blades. You know the moment. Heavy clouds roll in. Visibility drops. Your factory blades start streaking, chattering, smearing instead of clearing. For truck owners, especially those driving a Ford Raptor from 2009 to 2023, that split second of blurred vision feels longer than it should. Now let's talk about the Gavamol 22+22 silicone wiper blades. First impression? Solid build. These all-season front windshield wiper blades use durable silicone instead of standard rubber. That means smoother wipes, quieter operation, and longer life in extreme heat or winter frost. Fit matters. Designed for vehicles like the Ford F-150, Expedition, Escalade, and Ram 2500, they align perfectly with what drivers search for in the best windshield wiper blades for Ford Raptor 2009 to 2023, reliable pressure, streak-free clearing, and strong frame stability at highway speed. Compared to budget rubber blades, silicone resists cracking and sun damage far better. Downside? Slightly higher upfront cost. Ideal for truck owners who drive in unpredictable weather and expect clarity without compromise. Because when the storm hits, vision isn't optional, it's everything. Product number 5, 22 inches 11 inches windshield wiper blades replacement for Ford Expedition Lincoln Navigator 2018 to 2025. Rain destroys visibility faster than speed ever will, and most drivers don't realize their wipers are failing until the storm hits. Let's fix that. These 22-22-11 windshield wiper blades replacement for Ford Expedition and Lincoln Navigator, 2018 to 2025, are built with OEM quality precision. The fit is exact. No awkward gaps. No annoying chatter. Just smooth, full contact pressure across the glass. Real problem? Cheap blade streak. They skip. They freeze in winter and smear in summer heat. You end up leaning forward, squinting through water lines at 70 miles per hour. This premium all-weather front and rear wiper set solves that instantly. The rubber compound stays flexible in extreme cold and firm in blazing sun. Installation takes minutes. Click. Lock. Done. Now, if you're searching for the best windshield wiper blades for Ford Raptor 2009 to 2023, this same OEM-style durability and balanced pressure design is exactly what you should prioritize, especially for trucks that face mud, dust, and highway storms. Downside? They cost slightly more than bargain blades. But compared to generic frameless options that wear out in months, these last longer and wipe cleaner. If visibility matters to you more than saving a few dollars, this upgrade earns its place on your windshield, and keeps the road crystal clear when it matters most.